How to refund money on PayPal. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can refund money on PayPal, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to refund money on PayPal, or maybe you want to dispute a transaction, first of all, go ahead and then make sure to launch the PayPal application here. Then you simply want to make sure to sign into your account like this. Once you sign into the account, you're going to see this type of interface where you have to just tap the wallet icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the wallet icon from the bottom right, you'll have this option over here that says activity, where you want to make sure to just tap on it. And then over here, you'll be able to see all of the payments that you've made. Just select the payment you want to refund and then click issue a refund. Enter the amount that you would like to refund, select continue, and then review the information, and then just select the option called issue refund. PayPal is going to review your refund process and they're going to decide whether or not you're eligible for it. So this way you can refund your money on PayPal. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.